Yahoo!
What if you invested in Uber as an angel investor? A 20k USD investment in the angel round would now be worth $40 million.
Ever since August 15, 2016, it was a path where we built a lot of relationships, we built a lot of connections, we built pathways for ourselves to actually go global, go into Thailand, we went into China, we went into Vietnam.
Okay, so why did we choose Singapore? Because we want to give you guys the comfort. Okay, every time we say Malaysia, they say you can healthy. Okay, why I'm saying this is we have tie-ups with the bigger firm, and we have to. If you want, please go and sign with the bigger firm. That's how sure you are that the bigger firm created the company, not me. Okay.